Hey Queens, welcome back. We all love a good hot roller set style. The volume, the sexiness, the simplicity of it. It's actually a lot easier than you think. I'm so excited to show you guys how I do my hot roller set style. There's so many different types of roller sets and they are pretty reasonably priced. The roller set that I'm using today is my Remington. It is about 15 years old. It still works great, and this is the one we're gonna use. There are also newer Remington sets that I saw reviews on and that work pretty decent also. There are so many different ways to roll your hot roller sets and each give you a slightly different look. Normally, I use this basic technique that I'm gonna show you today. I love having a ton of volume in my hair, as you guys already know. So I'm gonna start with the larger ones on the top. The two sizes we're working with today for this Remington kit are this size and this size. So what I'm going to do now is start with this top mohawk section. You can clip the sides out of the way. Our sections are going to go back like this, and the rest are going to be used for the bottom because we're focusing more of the volume at the top. I like to brush out my hair first, and let's get started. Take your roller, start it a little bit farther down, roll the ends, and tuck the rest of the hair and roll. Remember, this does not have to be perfect. Next section, right behind the first. Start a little bit down from the ends, roll, tuck, clip. Next section, place your roller, twist around, tuck, and clip. To the sides, I like to roll them downward. You can split this piece in half, still sticking with the bigger rollers. Halfway down, roll, tuck, and clip. Our next section will be this little triangle section right here. Still using the bigger rollers. Put one more in the back mohawk section. You can bring this to the side, because again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Put the roller on, twist around, tuck it under, and clip. Now I like to split my hair into two. I have about 4 of the bigger rollers and 8 of the smaller rollers. I'm splitting this section in half. So this would be my bottom section. In the back, take your roller halfway down the hair, twist around, and clip. Same thing for the other side. Let's speed it up. I feel like a layered haircut works really well with hot rollers. After we get all the rollers in, we'll wait about 20 minutes, and now would be a good time to take a snack, get your makeup done, get dressed, or complete a little task that you haven't done today. All right, we're done and we are cool. So what I like to do is take them out from the bottom. And look at all that volume. Ooh, caught it. Before I put my fingers through it, I will spray the root with this by KMS. And I hit this just right in the root area. Then I like to lightly spray it with Big Finish by Goldwell. Making sure everything is cool. Next, I will put my fingers through it. You can give it a good shake. You flip it upside down and give it a good shake. And for more volume at the root, you can use a texture powder. Sprinkle it in and rub it. And then at the crown section, texture powders will give you mega volume. And there you have it, long-lasting, bouncy curls like you just came from the salon. Let me show you the back. Let me know in the comments if you're going to give hot rollers a try. And if you haven't subscribed, smash that button. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. And don't forget, follow me at BeautyByTiffanyRose on all socials. Hope that helps, and see you in the next video.